Here's Sergeant Eldridge getting off the short bus. Wave, Sergeant Eldridge! Woo! Sergeant Eldridge getting off the short bus. Yeah. Small arms fire. They got a flare up there too. There's a flare going on up there too. Yeah. I seen it. I think he hit the telephone pole today too with the high left of the power line. Yeah, it happened on both sides of the road. Go ahead, 3-4. Roger, I just saw that. We just had an IED go off in front of the truck in front of us. That's it. Big old Hett with the striker out back. Me and Steber ran up and got both personnel. See it going off?
I feel like I banged them off.
Specialist Steber applying first aid. Guy dislocated his finger. We're splinting it right now.
Oh, you're trucking.
There ain't much left of it.
Yeah,
hope you're insured.
All I grabbed was my $400 iPod.
Oh yeah, I seen you came out with that. Fuck the Kevlar. Hey.
No, I grabbed my weapon.
Go get your bayonet, Steber. Get your bayonet out of there.
Yeah. I grabbed my.
Here's your field boss.
I grabbed my weapon as well.
Is your weapon in there?
No, I pulled it out with me, but I fell from a cab on my way out. It tripped out.
We're gonna
I hit the ground pretty hard.
Find it right now because that's way too far.
Hey, I would have went after my personal shit too.
I mean, it's $400 my money.
The Army ain't gonna reimburse you for your laptop, probably.
I hope so. The other guys that
was it a brand new expensive one?
Yeah. It was one of those $3,000.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, right here.
$6,000.
Yeah, $6,000 liquid cooled.
Fuck, man.
I had a Rolex stereo system in there too.
Wow.
I'm fucking freaked
Look
out.
at your truck, man. There's nothing.
I can't believe this.
Okay, go ahead. Whoa! Where is it?
Oh, something just went up in your truck. You need the casing back?
No, chuck it.
That's just laying dead center in the road.
That was cool. That's the tires getting.
I think that was gas tank. That was gas tank.
Oh.
Is that the tire?
Your tires have been going for a while.
Oh, they're
Oh man, we just missed it.
Hey, you're alright. That's the main thing.
Oh, it was a real small one. Yeah, but it was real. I don't know.
It was one of those fucking fuel bombs from what it looked like for me.
He said it was an MRE bag.
Well, I'll tell you what, our truck would have been gone.
I know if I swerved, I'd be on the side.
Fuck!
Did we hit that?
How far ago did we hit it? Dead. Where we hit it at?
You hit it right where you're sitting.
No, because I know we swerved out.
No, they swerved off to the left once it hit.
Right here's where the IED started right here. And then they drove all the way up to here. All the way up to there. Flare up! Sergeant Eldridge setting off the flare. Oh, right about there. Boy, am I good. I could see all that stuff in the dark.
I couldn't react to it. It was so small, like, by the time we got up to it.
Saying it was an MRE? Box,
it was
big?
about the size of one.
Oh.
With about wires about 2 feet long. Connected to something else about the size of a Gatorade bottle.
Oh, okay.
I'm just saying proportion-wise. It
Alright.
wasn't really that big, but the fucking explosion was huge.
Oh yeah, that was a big one. Yeah, they got some
Hey, you want anything to drink?
got a striker on the back of this.
I think those were some of the rounds.
Got a convoy coming through on the other side. See, pretty much what happened is we had our bomb that happened here. And blew up the thing. Truck rolled up to there, stopped. The two guys got out of the vehicle and laid on the ground like right over there. Me and Steber, the driver, walked up over there, or ran up over there to evaluate the guys. They were fine. They were just shook up a little bit. And then we brought the one guy back to our vehicle over here. Gas tank on the Striker just took off now. Oh, I got some debris.
Hey, just so you guys know, we haven't seen shit on our scan on the side of the road for people, so. Thanks.
Roger, thank you.
Hey, you guys have thermals in there?
Yeah. Yeah, we got thermal.
Cool.
Pothole there? Yeah, that right there's the frickin' impact from the IED. Wow.
Hey, is this how they had the area secure when you guys showed up? Or you guys?
We were the ones that were in the convoy. Fire department out here to put the fire out. IP's putting out the fire. We got to come up here. We had a M16 laying out on the ground. We got to go see if we can find it. Boy, is that warm. Okay, these guys are out here putting this fire out. And there ain't much left of these. Spring. This is inside the cab here after the fire. There ain't much left in there.
Look where you guys were, when we got there, we didn't see it. More than likely, it's on the camera.
Alright. Who's the dude with all the lights?
That's
That's somebody else. We're back a little ways by Brad.
That cab was and the inside of that cab was in flames before we stopped.
yeah. Oh, you guys did good. Yep.
Hey, I bet you I know where one of our backhauls are from. Okay.
Yeah.
We have to get 3 vehicles.
Hey, there's an extra day right there. What did it look like to you? I'm kidding.
Oh, it was basically a cylinder, and out of the side of the cylinder, heading off to the left-hand side of the road, it was like a tube. Came out of the cylinder, went about 3/4 of the way across the road. Couldn't stop quick enough.
Like the size of an MRE bag, he said? That's what he was saying. It looked like an MRE bag or something like the size of it.
It looked like just a cylinder, about, I don't know, that big around, you know, about that long.
Yeah. Piece of copper we found inside the IED hole. Must be from the pipe itself. Let me see what we got here. What did you say? What is that, about 2 feet wide? 2 feet wide, 6 inches deep?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fucking it.
Yeah. Right there is the TC's Kevlar.
That's
Yeah.
Kevlar.
Yeah, see the shine that right there. That's the
That's the fucking mount.
yeah, that's the mount for the knots.